Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. I hope that everybody had a wonderful weekend. Weather wasn't so great, but we kind of have to make the best of it. We are going to be talking about our math today. And with our math today, we're going to be working on this worksheet, which has our tens and ones, and we're adding those together. So last week, we were using our base 10 blocks, and we were adding together the base 10 blocks. Today, we're going to be starting adding numbers together. So I'm going to do a few of examples for you, and then I'm going to start on the paper with you so that we can do that together. So when I'm looking at my line, I want to make sure that I stack my numbers on top of each other. I'm going to write my tens in blue, and I'm going to write my ones in red. So I'm going to take a number like 25. So I have 2 tens and 5 ones, and I'm going to add it to another number like, let's say, 14. So remember, when we were using our place value blocks, we wanted to use add up in our ones first. And we're going to do the same thing again today. We're going to add up our red number, our ones. So we're going to add up those red numbers. Who can tell me what 5 plus 4 is? Can you add up 5 and 4 more? Good job. That's 9. So we have 9 ones, and then we're going to add our 10. So this is really like adding 2 tens plus 1 tens. So 20 plus 10 more. 2 plus 1 is 3. Good job. So now we're going to do one more example before we get started on our actual paper, just because I want to make sure that this is what we're focusing on. And we're going to keep focusing on this for a couple more weeks. We're going to keep focusing on this because it's really important, especially in 2nd grade. So I'm going to take a number. How about 33? So I have 3 tens and 3 ones, and then I'm going to take a number like 25. So which color do you think Mrs. Pelkey should start with? Should I start with my tens or my ones, my blue or my red? I'm going to start with my red. So I need to first add 3 plus 5 more. What is 3 plus 5 more? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. 5 plus 3 is 8. Awesome. Now I'm going to add up my tens. So I have 3 tens plus 2 tens. 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 tens and 8 ones. What number is 5 tens and 8 ones? 58. Good job. Now Mrs. Pelkey is going to do 2 more with you, and I want you to look at your paper because I'm going to do these 2 with you. So I have 48 plus 50, and then I have 26 plus 52. So we're going to work on those together. So I'm going to have 48 plus 50. And that should be the first one that's on your paper. Well, guess what? If we start in the ones column, in the red column, 8 plus 0 is an easy one because 8 plus no more is 8. Good job. Now we're going to move over to our blue column, our tens column. I'm going to add 4 plus 5 more. I'm going to put that bigger number in my head and add on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. What's this number? 9 tens and 8 ones. What is that number? 98. Good job. One last one to do together, and then you can do some of these on your own. And even if you want to do extra practice, that would be wonderful if you have extra time. My next one is going to be 26 plus 52. So I have 26 plus 52. Awesome. So I'm going to start in what column? My tens or my ones? I'm going to start in my ones. So I'm going to add that 6 plus 2 more. What is 6 plus 2 more? Well, 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 more would be 8. Good job. Then I'm going to add my blue column, my tens column, and I'm going to add 2 plus 5 more. Well, 5 plus 1 more would be 6, plus 1 more would be 7. Awesome job. What is that number? 78. Great work. So I want you to finish out the rest of this sheet on your own. I would like for you to really try it by yourself. And even if your answers are wrong, that's okay. Because when you show it to your teacher, they'll be able to help you out with the ones that are not right. And then on Wednesday, we're going to be doing another sheet that is very similar. Again, we're going to keep working on this adding without regrouping. So if you want to meet, I believe Mrs. Heckman will be on Google Meet at 10:30 today. If you need any help with this, she'll be there. And then Mrs. Gates will be on tomorrow for ELA at 10:30. And then Mrs. Pelkey will be back on Wednesday. If you need help with some of this 2-digit addition, just email your teachers or send a remind message and we will be glad to help you out. Thank you so much, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. I love you and I miss you. Bye.